Hi guys, I have another new interesting video for you. It's not going to be on this iPod. Instead, it's going to be on the Bose SoundLink Mini. I got a new iPod Touch 32GB in silver, and I really like the thing. There's only one problem. I used it for a few minutes and then the battery died. So it's sort of plugging in, being charged right now. Plugging in. I has grammar. Don't question me, guys. Hang on while I get the camera set up. So yeah, this is the Bose SoundLink Mini. It's a real one, not one of those knockoff ones that, like the one Mahi and Jay did. I'm actually considering getting one of those, but I decided to just go to the Apple store. And while I was there, I got the iPod Touch, so yeah, it's got this here, so I'm going to be opening that right away. Before I begin unboxing this, I'm just going to say I was going to do the video on my iPod Touch, but as I said, it died, so yeah. Sorry guys. I will be using it later on in the video to test the sound quality of this, but yeah, hopefully it'll be charged by then. Okay, so I pulled the plastic wrapping off of it, and now let's get to it. So it just says Bose SoundLink Mini here. And I think it says the specifications on the side. Full range performance. Just a whole bunch of information that you'd need to know. It's got the wireless connectivity and it comes with a charger base. Or charging cradle or whatever the hell they call it. And it's on a compact size. That's what it says. A sleek design. Yeah, I like it. And on this side it just says Bose SoundLink Mini and it shows the top of it. And on this side, it's upside down, derp. And on this side, if it would focus, there we go. Yeah, it shows the contents and everything. Bose, better sound through research. It's Bluetooth, by the way, guys. I don't know if it has NFC support. I believe that one of them does. But anyways, yeah, it's a Bluetooth speaker. So anyways, I'm gonna unbox it. Yeah, one thing I like about Bose boxes is how that they have them unpackaged like this. So that's useful for me. Anyhow, here's the actual speaker itself and a ton of cardboard as well. I'm gonna pull this out of here. It's in a nice, well, was in until I just pulled it out. So yeah, here it is. It's a beautiful Bose. It's actually fairly heavy, surprisingly, but what can you expect? Okay then, what can you expect? It's a Bose product. Really, you couldn't expect too much less on them. And there's a whole load of packaging that goes with this. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna be quick because I just deleted a whole ton of apps from my iPad because it ran out of space halfway through. So anyways, there's a lot of packaging as I was just saying. So anyways, here's a little box, I guess, with accessories. Yeah. Says essentials. Okay, let's open this up very quickly. And sure enough, it does come with a whole load of accessories. Manual, SoundLink Mini, Bluetooth speaker. Huge manual, probably in many other languages. Warranty information, and just that. So, then there's a charger plug, and then there's a charger cradle. Got to mention this, our commitment to you. Got my Goophone i6 here, and I'm going to connect it to the Bose SoundLink Mini. So my SoundLink Mini is charging. As you can see, I did not know why I expected it to be fully charged straight out of a box. So I'm going to turn it on now. Yeah, and it shows Bluetooth is now flashing along with the other one. So now let's see if I can search. Hello? Fine, have it your way. I'll plug it in then. You mad, bro? Okay, I'm just gonna work this thing so that it works. Okay. Anyways, guys, it works. So I'm gonna show you it. This isn't probably the best way, because this considering how cheap this phone is. Anyways, I'm only gonna show a bit of it.
Probably on your flight back to your hometown.
Here's whatever it's called again. Anyways, just give you an audio sample. It's not a very good way to do an audio sample, but anyways. This music's by C418. I do not own it. C418 owns it. This is text from the Minecraft soundtrack, if you guys can recognize it. Here's another one. Probably shouldn't be playing too long of it. Next one. It really sounds beautiful, I must say, considering how nice and clear the bass is on it. But yeah, this one's Justin Timberlake, Rock Your Body, 2004, whatever. It's fairly old. Here's another one by Nelly Furtado.
How you doing, young lady? The feeling that you're giving really drives me crazy. You don't have a play about the choke. I was at a loaf of words.
The microphone doesn't do a good enough job of showing you what it sounds like. But you would understand what I mean if you were here. And besides, this is a cheap phone, and the cheap connector and the cheap cable do not go well with the sound quality for the actual speaker. I can't get Bluetooth to work, but if I could, I would show you what it sounded like. So anyways, next song. Here's another song from the Minecraft soundtrack. Key by C418 from the Minecraft beta soundtrack, I think it is. Anyways. I love the sound quality of this speaker. It really proves that it's worth the money. $217 or whatever. It wasn't cheap, guys. Here's One More Time by Daft Punk. Wow, it's really peaking the quality out on my iPhone, or whatever it is called again. The Goophone i6. The Goophone i6 can't produce a very good quality sound. Sorry guys. It would sound a lot better.
One more time.
Wow. That's really good. I'm really proud of Bose for this. Anyways, that should be it for this video. Bye guys.